What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. RMS here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to join the Irene SMP using PlayStation and Xbox. As you guys may not know, or may know, on PlayStation and Xbox we do not have the join server button, so you cannot put in your custom server. You can only join the servers that are featured to you, like the Hive or CubeCraft. So today you're going to need your phone and your console that you're looking to join the server to. So first of all, you're going to head over to the App Store. We're going to need an app off of here. And before you do anything, you gotta make sure that you're connected to the same Wi-Fi as your PS4 or console. Alright, so once I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi as my console, I'm gonna search for an app called Bedrock Together. As you can see, the first pop-up is gonna be an app called Bedrock Together. You're gonna download this. This is what's gonna let you stream the server onto your PS4, and basically you would be able to join it from your PS4 or Xbox, whatever console you're using. Yep, there we go, fully downloaded. Now let's hop right into it. So once you're here, it's gonna ask you to find and connect to local devices on your network. This may be needed for it to actually stream the server onto your console. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna type in your IP, the IP you wanna join. Alright guys, once you've copied down the whole IP and port, you should be ready. Okay, once you've watched the ad, you can head over to your console, go to play, friends, and you should scroll all the way down to the bottom, and as you can see here, Bedrock Together Join Me LAN Games. Click on it. This may take about maybe 30 seconds of joining, but you will eventually be joined into your preferred server. Alright guys, as you can see, I've successfully loaded into the Irene SMP. You can see I'm the only one online right now. Thanks for watching. It's RMS and have a good day.